Ultraman. Toy store. Dito sa airport. But more on anime. Anime. We don't have Marvel or DC, Superman. This one is ano, One Piece. But no Marvel or Superman characters.
You can go inside there, Kuya. Yeah, just look around.
But really quick. You have to catch up to us, okay? Like mga ano nila, specialty, no? Tikoy. Yan, may tea.
Gusto mo na pagtagay-tagay na.
Tagay-tagay lang.
Ako na naman na. Why don't you tackle Daddy? Stronger.
That's just gonna truck.
Precisely. Why do you do it to me?
Because you're an easy target.
Oh, easy
You
target.
run that little like sorry, easy target.
Let's buy something for Lola Ellie. Ay, grabe. Uy!
Only you might hurt mommy na.
Tackle, but they're running back.
Sige na. Let's see, run this defending me. Sige, stop. I see. Hello.
Uh-oh, it's playground time.
Not playground. Not.
There, in the corner.
Sige, me and Alexa go to Sanrio. Come, Alexa.
Ganda ng airport ng ano, Taiwan. Oh. Para ka lang nasa mall. May chessboard pa. Oh. Chess ba yan? I'll take a picture of you there. Stand there. Sanrio store. Hindi masyadong malaki pero okay pa rin. Ito naman Lego store. Ito naman ito bookstore ba to? Toy store din. Ganda oh. Bookstore din pala sa taas. Gusto na to. They're cute. Mga cute stuff natin. Mga gumagalaw. Ganda oh. Cute. Ba? Parang may garden dito. Ano, restaurant siguro to. Restaurant ba to? Or waiting area din? C1, waiting area. Ganda ng theme, para ka nasa forest. Ito naman, restaurants. Or fast food area. Ang haba pala nito. Ganda oh. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin kung ano pang meron. Taste of Taiwan. Let's go. Straight. Dami pa, haba. Ayan, airport nila, ganda. Ate, there's a lot more of toys there. Ready? Oh, you want a souvenir? Kiss daddy first. Kiss. Magkano? Magkano siya?
300 pesos.
Bakit? Mura naman. How many more hours do we have? 6 something.
Alis tayo na
2 hours. Looking at Stuffies again, huh? Stuffies boy yan eh. I like this toy. How much is this, mommy? It's a city. What are you getting, ate? Ay, nako. Tatakbo yan. Dala ko to. Water! Wala akong, I don't know where the water is. Ito, pwede ba to? Itong red? Pwede itong red? A picture there. You sit there. You sit there. Okay, wow. Ate just put on her signature on that magic book. Kasi, logbook. I wonder where Randall is. Oh no!
Daddy!
I know! If it's either the luggage I'm doing, the stroller, or chasing Randall. Wow! Another Hello Kitty store or Sanrio store. What is it? The jackets pa. Ito naman, bags. Ayan, Swarovski. Ito, ano to? Ferragamo. Sabi, laki ng store na ng airport na to. Parang Green Hills na eh, oh. Veneta. Veneta. Sabi oh. Taiwan Tobacco Liquor. Ito man. Gucci. Gucci. Ito lang tayo. Mauna si na Alexis eh. Kinder Surprise. Daiva. Ito mga chocolates. Saint Laurent. Yeah. Chocolates. Yeah. Not Scout. Is there anything else there? Toy store. Wow. Retrato. Same flavor.
Ito lang yung familiar sa akin. Okay, pag-order ako hindi magustuhan.
You're on a bike. Gusto na. CR pa lang dito, linis na. Oh. Hindi ka nang matulog. Linis, oh. Yan ang CR nila. Mushroom. Linis. Wala nga lang soap dispenser. Ayun pala. Nakita yan. Yun. Galing. High-tech. Sana ganyan ang Pilipinas. Ayos, diba? Linis. Yan, oh. Ano? Yeah. Oh, yan na. Ate, ride the bike. Ate, ride the bike. I'll take a picture of you. Ayan. Ito yung mga toy store naman dito. Ito yung uso ngayon eh. Binubuksan ni Marian Rivera. So, ang lumalabas, parang 100 Taiwanese would be around $4.33. So, kung 10,000, 430. So, kung 10,000, mga 430. So, ito mga 500 mahigit na Canadian dollars na rin to. Okay lang. Ayan o, laki ng store to. Sa airport lang to. Ito si Dead Strange. Ito gusto ko yan. Kano kaya? Ayan yun. Dahil mo ng gift sa akin. Ayan na. Ganda, oh. Ayan, Beast Kingdom. Wala, puro Marvel eh. Puro Avengers. Beast Kingdom. Punta na kami sa air. Pasok na kami. Makasakay na.